Welcome to Guessaholic. Today, can you guess the animal by emoji? There are 10 questions and 10 seconds for each question. For each correct answers, you will get 1 point. If you are ready, subscribe the channel and let's get started. Can you guess the animal by emoji? Great, it's jellyfish. Can you guess the next animal? Good, it's monkey. Can you guess the next animal? Yes, it's starfish. Can you guess the next animal? Yes, it's deer. Can you guess the next animal? Good, it's seahorse. Can you guess the next animal? Yes, it's dolphin. Can you guess the next animal? Yes, it's donkey. Can you guess the next animal? It's elephant. Can you guess the next animal? It's blue whale. Can you guess the next animal? Good, it's earthworm. Leave a comment of your points. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more fun quizzes. See you in the next video.